Hey guys, I'm back with my another second recipe of smoothie. So hope you guys are ready to try this one. Hope you tried the first one, and the first one is the easiest one. And today I'm making with all greens and some blueberries. So I'm taking 1 cup of blueberries and 1 cup of spinach and just 5 to 6 leaves of romaine lettuce. It's not the normal one, so this is the good one. Generally, like hypothyroid or any thyroid issues, generally the lettuce is should be consumed in a moderate level. So the romaine lettuce is a very good one, and so I'm adding cucumber and celery. So just add 1 cup of blueberries to the blender, or I added here in the Vitamix. So 1 cup of cucumber is good in summer, and everyday use of cucumber will reduce the cellulite and keep hydrated, and good for weight loss, those who are trying. And the celery is the main ingredient in this one, and so it reduces the blood pressure, those who have the symptoms or the tendency of high blood pressure. If you continuously take this for 3 months, like consuming celery every day, you can see the results. When you go to the doctor, your blood pressure will come down at least for 5 to 6 points, and the spinach and the green apple. So I don't want to add a red apple because of the sugars. Green apple has good nutrients than the red apple. So I'll add a spinach and romaine lettuce, and then I'll add some lemon juice, like a half a tablespoon of lemon juice, so that the greens will not oxidize, and it gives a nice flavor and good vitamin C. And so good fiber. This recipe is full of rich in fiber, rich in nutrients, and this is a very good one to try, friends. Those who want to lose weight, and it's good if you take it before the lunch. That means you can cut down your carbs automatically. So if you get used to these smoothies at least once in a day is a very good option. But smoothie with pulp, you have to drink at least 8 ounce, or without pulp, if you want to take out the pulp and drink, you have to drink at least 12 to 14 ounce limit. You can drink whenever you feel hungry. You can just sip a little bit of this one instead of having a processed sugars or packaged foods. This one is a very healthy nutrition. Don't get scared of the color, okay? So this is healthy. To think about the after results. So you'll feel happy for the weight loss, for the detoxification, and the digestive issues. So if you have any digestive issues, smoothies are a great choice, because I have a IBS problem, and those who have IBS, IBD, Crohn's disease, or celiac or anything, you can just try these smoothies. Your intestines will be get cleansed like within 2 weeks. You can see the results. This is a very healthy, nutritious recipe, guys. And if you want to drink like 2 times, you can take it 2 times, not all at a time. So hope you guys enjoy this recipe and nice results. And just let me know any comments or any questions, so I'll be able to answer. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.